So Mel, you like your four-wheeler?
I like the color.
You like the color? So check this out. This is Mel's four-wheeler. She wants me to get that piece of plywood off the back there though that guy had screwed down onto that rack. But this is it right here. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. So this is it. It is the same unit. Same one. They're both Artic 500 four-wheel drives. They both have the winch. This one has a fully digital gauge on it, and this one is analog and digital both. So that's about the main difference really I've only seen in them. I like her racks better. Uh, this one has got the hitch. This one's got the hitch, but she's got that big heavy duty rear like bumper rack on there. That's pretty cool, man. I like that. I also like our front guard better also. You see it comes up and covers the headlights and everything, where this one down here is just only down low. So the other rack is identical. That top rack is, but there they are. And you see she gave hers a bath. She cleaned hers all up, but the other one that she been riding for a while, she left it all dirty and muddy. What's up with that, Mel? Huh? So abuse mine, but yours gets the care and the love now? I think you better be getting some soap and water out, because you're the one's got that thing so muddy. But there it is. Oh, and hers has got custom wheels. She needs to polish those wheels up. What is up with you? Don't you know your first thing you're supposed to do is clean your rims?
Oh yes.
First thing you're supposed to do is clean your rims.
Yes.
But she's got some custom aluminum mags on hers, and mine's just got the plain Jane old Steely Boppers.
Ooh, yeah, I think I need to clean that one. Wow,
Yep, yep. You're slacking, Mel. You're slacking. It's pretty awesome. We got little matching four-wheelers now. The plywood's definitely got to go, though.
I think so. I think that's a good idea. I just paint it black.
You know what I like about that idea?
And I like to paint it.
It means less work for me. You know what? Before you worry about painting yours and clean it up, how about give mine a bath where you got it so muddy? Huh? Huh?
I'm down for that.
Yeah. Use and abuse,
So,
huh?
I'm still using that.
Use and abuse, I see.
Can you drive back?
Well, probably could, but let's try to avoid hospital bills right now. It's not a good time to be going to the hospital.
You can drive to the open pasture, so you don't worry.
Yeah, you know, those famous last words, right? You know, watch this. And those were the famous last words.
Yeah, watch this. Watch out.
Mel.
They're gonna get dirty also.
Mel. I should go play in mud in yours right now.
Just relax.
Just relax, huh? This is the next time that we head up into the mountains, like up in Colorado. We took this one climbing up in the mountains. We went, I guess, about 6-7 mile track up into the mountains. Her just riding on the back. Maybe this time she will roll solo. She can roll solo. Are you scared?
Yes.
You're scared?
I'm scared that one day.
Because there were some pretty good climbs in there, wasn't there?
I don't want that.
So what'd you think about it when we were in Colorado on top of the mountain and the lightning started striking?
I feel like maybe it's the end of my day.
Should I tell them about what happened to us up there?
What happened? I don't remember.
On this four-wheeler right here.
Oh yes, we flat.
Yes, so we are high up in the mountains on these trails, and we have to cross through streams and marshes and all kinds of boulders and over logs and everything else. And my front tire goes flat. And we are at least 6 miles in those mountains.
Yeah, 6 miles.
And then a storm blew in, didn't it? Oh my goodness. And this storm blew in and my Uncle Gary's on his four-wheeler up there and we're like, shoot, let's get off this mountain. And so what, and your sister's there with us too, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yep.
Bibi ride with the
With Gary.
Gary,
Yeah.
yes.
So we're like, let's get the heck off this mountain. So we're trying to head out and I felt something weird and my front tire right there was flat and there was no way of fixing it. And I just kept on riding because the lightning is striking and you know how dangerous that is on mountains. And so I drove this thing out going fast too. I didn't go slow, did I? I stayed going normal speed, didn't I?
You're just
On a flat tire, hitting logs, hitting over big rocks.
we keep going on because it's storm and we are worried about all we need to do. We're thinking just we need to be out of the mountain.
Man, did we ever? And so it's wanting to just pull to the right, of course, because flat tire, and it's taking all my strength to keep these handlebars straight. And I would hit something hard and solid and it just felt like it broke my arm or wrist. I just kept going, and we made it all the way back across the river, everything, and got in. What a miracle, boy. I just tell you, I don't know how we did it. And then we go to a local town there. And wasn't many towns around that area, was there? So we had to drive pretty good ways, well, about 30, 40 miles to go to a town.
Yes.
And we got there and we went to this tire shop and they had no ATV tires at all. But he told me to hold on and they were going to go look in this old like tractor trailer bed or where they had old tires stored in. And they came out with one tire. That guy said, we have one ATV tire, a used one on the property. And lo and behold, it was the identical size, brand, tread, everything as my tires already on here. Identical. Or he had a pair. He had a pair, didn't he?
Yeah, I
had two of them. Had a pair. So I kept my one good tire that's identical to these. And I've got it as a spare now. And got these right here. So that was big time luck. I don't know how much luckier you could get. And we got back out and was back in the mountains again. Well, anyway, we just want to share Melinda's little ride that I think we did an awesome trade for with two old ragged pool tables. And pretty cool deal. She's wanting me to gas her up right now. Well, Mel, let's close this video out. They don't need to see you just keep glowing with your new four-wheeler. So thank you for everybody for watching. And y'all tell us what you think about Mel's little ride. And we'll see you the next round.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.